for which we all have been waiting for has arrived. It's time to power up your fun quotient and feel the adrenaline rush. Presenting the new Suzuki Avenis, designed exclusively for a generation that seeks pleasure, zest, and excitement from every second of their life. Now, no more fear of missing out when riding with Suzuki Ride Connect. Missed call alerts so you can always be there for your friends. Caller ID so that there are no awkward surprises. SMS alerts so you can be in the know at all times. WhatsApp alerts so you never miss a message from friends. Keep an eye out for everyone's safety. Meet your deadlines. Stay on course to your goals. Ride with pinpoint precision. And always stay charged up for the next challenge. Unapologetically bold with an advanced sporty styling, the Suzuki Avenis is for the young generation and comes with a 125cc SEP engine that adds zip to your ride. With thoughtfully designed features like a body-mounted bright LED headlamp for enhanced visibility, an external hinge-type fuel cap, plenty of underseat storage space to fit all your needs, USB charger for mobile charging so you never run out of charge, cool motorcycle-inspired rear indicators with an attractive LED tail lamp, a compact and sporty meter visor to up your style quotient, standout sporty styling that makes a statement. A sporty muffler cover which complements the premium sporty look. A sporty split grab rail. Now your pillion can have the perfect grip. Sporty alloy wheels that look smart on the streets. Sporty graphics that sets your scooter apart from the rest. Side stand interlock, which makes sure the vehicle won't start when the side stand is engaged. Engine kill switch with Suzuki Easy Start system for stress-free switching off and switching on. Dual luggage hooks to conveniently hang more bags. Front rack for ample storage space. Long floorboard for a comfortable and stylish riding posture with 4 dynamic colors for you to choose from. And for the true blue racing fans, we have more style and more flash in a look inspired by Suzuki's racing machines. Introducing the Race Edition in a dynamic metallic Crichton blue. India's Gen Z has found its new ride. Suzuki Avenis. More zip, more grip.
A premium and well-designed maxi scooter that has the perfect blend of sophistication, comfort, and practicality, giving you a smart and luxurious ride. From the lineage of the globally known Burgman, defining urban smart riding, here comes the Burgman Street, the maxi scooter you can afford. Equipped with advanced technology, the Burgman Street is powered by an all-aluminum 4-stroke, single-cylinder, 125cc fuel-injected Suzuki Eco-Performance engine, making it powerful and fuel-efficient. Generating 53.5 kilometer per liter fuel efficiency. It sports a full digital instrument panel with a digital clock, providing real-time information, adding convenience to your daily ride. Fuel gauge showing accurate fuel status so you can plan your trips accordingly. Oil change indicator reminding the rider to change the engine oil at the preset kilometer. And dual trip meter, which easily keeps track of the distance between trips and measures the fuel efficiency. The Burgman Street has an integrated engine start and kill switch, allows one push starter switch to fire up the engine and turn it off easily. One push central locking provides safer locking system. Combined brake system provides superior running performance and control. It comes with a 2-liter leaded front glove box with optional USB charger for convenience wherever you go. Looks that feature premium design. The Burgman Street has a 3D emblem signifying premiumness. It has an LED headlight, position lamp, and tail lamp that enhances rider visibility at night. Its body-mounted windscreen is inspired from European maxi scooters design, which helps reduce wind drag, improving aerodynamics. It sports an upward muffler design that enhances its sporty and premium look. The chrome accent body parts made the Burgman Street more elegant, safe, and comfortable. The Burgman Street has 21-liter under-seat compartment that is spacious enough for personal belongings. It has elevated seat that gives comfort for long rides. Comfortable floorboard for a more flexible foot position. Dual utility hooks for added convenience. The Burgman Street comes in 2 elegant colors: the metallic matte fibroin gray and glass sparkle black. Let your maxi ride begin with the Burgman Street for only 76,900 pesos. Ride ahead in smart luxury with the maxi scooter you can afford. The Burgman Street. Available this November.